Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here to share a very special story of two of our students, Shamsher Thakur and Pooja Gupta. So as all of you know, recently the entrance examination and the interview result of University School of Environmental Management, Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University have been declared, which is popularly known as IP University Dwarka, which is one of the prestigious university in Delhi in terms of research and academics in the field of environmental sciences. So two of our students have produced a remarkable result there. Rank 1, overall rank 1 after the entrance and interviews is secured by Shamsher Thakur, and rank 2 is secured by Pooja Gupta. So Shamsher Thakur is our classroom student. He qualified NET-JRF with us, and then he was preparing for various other entrances and interview. Pooja Gupta is also the student of live online program with us, and she secured rank 2. On this occasion, we would like to congratulate both of them and wish them good luck for their PhD journey. And I would also like to thank the faculty team, the interview team, the proposal team, and all the supporting staff of A.S.S. Science Foundation who have worked very hard for the students. After that, only the students were able to achieve their dreams. So at present, the institute is offering offline program for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences for March 2023 and GATE Ecology, Evolution and Environmental Sciences 2023. Along with that, all the M.SC entrances such as Life Sciences, Biotech, Environmental Sciences, Biomedical Sciences, Biotech are available with the institute. The people who are interested in applying in US for master's or PhD program, or even for undergraduate program, or European countries for undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD program are most welcome. They can reach us. Once again, we would like to congratulate Shamsher Thakur and Pooja Gupta for such a remarkable feat. Thank you.